If you're watching this, you're probably in the process of preparing to get a new roof or get a repair done. Let's be honest, choosing the right contractor can feel overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. Hey, I'm Cody, and as a roofing contractor for over 8 years, I wanted to share some tips on how to pick the perfect contractor for your project. Today, we're gonna talk about why your roof is important and how it's more than just protection, the steps to selecting the right roofing contractor, as well as helping you look beyond the price tag. By the end of this video, you'll have the confidence to hire the right contractor for your project. Your roof is more than just shingles and nails. It's your home's first line of defense against the elements, protecting your biggest investment. A well-maintained roof not only keeps you safe and dry, but also significantly impacts your home's value. So when it's time for repair or replacement, choosing the right roofing contractor is crucial. Choosing the wrong contractor is like rolling the dice on your home's safety. I've helped many homeowners who had chosen the wrong contractor, which ended up doing more harm than good. We actually had a situation right here in Mobile, Alabama. The customer called our office to have us come look at their roof. When our project manager went out there, we actually discovered through the homeowner that the roof was only 4 to 5 years old. The shingles themselves were actually still in great condition, only being 4 to 5 years old, but the workmanship of the roof was terrible. Flashings were done wrong, the valleys were woven wrong, everything about the roof was wrong, to the point where it couldn't even be fixed or repaired. We unfortunately had to quote them an entire new roof and replace it at only 4 to 5 years old due to the terrible workmanship. We did do that, brought everything up to code, gave them a great roof, installed it correctly, and now they have a warranty and all that kind of good stuff. But man, just 4 or 5 years ago, they shelled out a good amount of money trying to go with the cheapest option. They said they learned their lesson and they were thankful for our thoroughness and attention to detail on the job, and that they knew going forward they were gonna have a roof they could count on. That's why choosing the right roofing contractor is just so critical. Start with referrals. Ask friends and family or check online reviews. Here's what you need to ask when you're checking references. How did the contractor handle your project? Were they on time and on budget? Did they communicate well throughout the process? These questions will help you see if they got the experience and reliability that you're looking for. Next, you'll want to verify their credentials. Ensure they're licensed and insured. Request detailed quotes. Compare those carefully to ensure you're not just picking the cheapest option, but one that offers value for money. Here's a bonus tip. Always get everything in writing. What exactly is included in your contract? Is it a flat fee or an hourly rate? Make sure you know the total cost and what could trigger additional charges. Now, the price of a job is often one of the biggest factors when it comes to making a decision. Here's the truth. Sometimes a lower price isn't a bargain. I've seen too many homeowners get burned by contractor undercutting prices, but they end up cutting corners. Let's talk about what you should really focus on. Experience and reputation. Look at how long they've been in business and what past clients have to say. Warranties and guarantees. Ask about the warranties they offer on both labor and material. Communication and customer service. You want a contractor who's responsive and transparent from the start. The best contractors are not just skilled at installing roofs, but also keeping you in the loop. Pay attention to how quickly they get back to you and the way they stay in touch with you as you're vetting them. Clear expectations. Know exactly what to expect in terms of timeline and materials. Don't be afraid to ask questions. Whether it's about the materials or the project timeline, never hesitate to voice your concerns. If you want more information, check out this video on what questions you should be asking your contractor. Hopefully, this video has armed you with the right tools so you can make a confident decision for your roofing contractor. Have any questions? Let us know in the comments and we would be happy to answer. Thanks.